Back in November, we told you about the Boston researchers using a 125-year-old tuberculosis vaccine as a treatment for type 1 diabetes.
Well, now there are exciting new findings to share. This clinical trial included adults who have been living with diabetes since they were children. Historically, diabetes research focuses on stopping the body's autoimmune attack on the pancreas. And researchers tell us the struggle with current diabetes treatments is that they try to replace white blood cells, whereas this treatment seeks to change them. Type 1 diabetes patients have white blood cells that eat fats. The tuberculosis drug teaches those white blood cells instead to eat sugar.
All right, so what makes these results so exciting? The new data showed not only did their blood sugar levels improve after the shots were administered, but they also kept them stable. All of the patients were adults with existing type 1 diabetes, and many having the disease for more than a decade at the time of their enrollment in the trial. Many type 1 diabetes studies only look at patients with recent diagnosis. Well, here are some of the main outcomes. Patients saw a reduction in their HbA1c. That's your overall average blood sugar level. High levels are directly correlated with a greater risk of developing diabetes, related complications like blindness, heart attack, stroke, and renal failure. Many participants also saw normalized blood sugar levels and reported a reduced use of insulin.
Okay, so what happens next? Well, right now the researchers are conducting pediatric trials, testing the tuberculosis vaccine in children with type 1 diabetes who could potentially experience a functional reversal of their diabetes. Also important to note here that more than 100 million newborns get the tuberculosis vaccine every year.
It's amazing how many times an old vaccine for something completely different, you find out that it works for something completely different.
Right, and patients who've been waiting a long time finally have an answer.